Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to select who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under Interactions, tap Comments. From the top, tap Comments again. By default everyone can comment on your videos and stories. If you select the second option, only the followers that you follow back can comment on your videos and stories. And if you select the last option, no one can comment on your videos and stories. Now choose the option which is suitable to you. So in this way, you can select who can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.